Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo and I'm back again with another video. It's currently May 26, 2024, 5:41 p.m. So I know you've been wondering where have I been with the trading videos this week, and honestly this week has been crazy, like because I've been, trying to do my regular strategy, also trying to learn this new strategy with scalping. The charts were a mess. Oh my god, it was so confusing. I just did my weekly checkup for my swing trading. Just cleared up the charts and I will show you. I literally just get the twin turbo Lambo, bro. This one day, very soon. But that's besides the point. Let's get into today's analysis, right? As you can tell, USD CAD is already acting up right now. So USD CAD, what do I see, right? Weekly, it's still bullish, but price has been consolidating in this weird area. So I'm just looking at it for right now. Price did already come back last week and retested the area of interest. That's bouncing up, which it did. So one time the daily literally had this area of interest marked up. The price is literally gonna come back, retest it, and then continue its momentum upward. So that's what I'm waiting for this. And it's above the 50 and the 200 EMA. Literally everything I'm writing here, I'm just reading it, literally showing you. And it could retest previous structure. So yeah, on a weekly, not the daily, weekly. Alright, cool. AUD USD, the GOAT. One of my favorite pairs to trade. So, obviously it's bullish as well. Price is above both EMAs. As y'all can see. It's rejecting the daily one. It's rejecting the 50 EMA on the weekly, which is fine. But, anyways, literally the same thing. Price, pulled back, rejected. There was an area of interest here. It rejected off of it. Had its continuous momentum up. Last week we were waiting for it to pull back here, broke below, obviously retested this one. So now price is above here. I'm waiting for it to come just retest the area of interest, and it continues going upward. That's about it. Pretty simple. NZD USD, literally the same thing. Price already broke above. It came back, retested one area of interest, and started its move up. I literally found this area of interest just now, so I'm waiting for it to pull back to that area of interest, retest it before continuing up. GBP USD, literally the same thing, broke above, waiting for retest previous structure as well, and then it's above the EMAs, so cool. That's what I'm waiting for. Euro GBP, literally at the bottom. I really like this one. Like I told you, I'm more of like a seller than a buyer. Like I can just spot sell way easier and faster than buys. But yeah, price is at the bottom completely on the weekly and the daily, as you can see. So I'm literally just waiting for price to pull out these area of interest, a strong area of interest as well. So waiting for it to pull back here. And then continue to the sales, and both EMAs are above it, so that's why. So I actually really like this trade. I'm gonna flip these. This one, honestly, I don't know how to feel about this one because if you could see on the weekly, price has been consolidating here for a while. Like this range, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Price has been in this just area, so I don't really know how I feel about this. But yeah, we're gonna see. Yeah, let this one play out. So like I said, price is gonna pull back. Retest area of interest, and then continue to sell, which I really like this trade. Honestly, I really like this one. So, yeah. And then NZD CAD, literally same thing as before. Price broke above, waiting for it to retest previous structure as well, and then continue the upside and around psychological level. And then USD Chef, literally the same thing. Retest this area of interest, retest previous structure, around psychological level, all these trades. So I'm just gonna be watching these trades. Most of these markets, this one as well. The price has been consolidated in this area on the AUD CAD. I don't like it. It could potentially play out, honestly. I'm just gonna keep watch of it. I'm not really looking for any good trades on this one. I'm gonna keep watching USD CAD again. But yeah, honestly, this one could play out. I don't know how I feel about it. The price has been consolidating here for a while. It could play out, really. Let me see. Boom, boom. Yeah, it could potentially play out. So we'll see how that works. Not too worried about that one. And then the other ones, yeah, price, it could play out, but it's kind of weird. I don't really like it. And then this at the top, this one literally, there's no other confluence except around psychological level. And look at this big push that price is having. So this week price could come back. The weekly could come back like this, and then set up for the week after, which would do something like this, which is fine. So I'll just wait for this trade. And then that's it. So obviously I'm looking at these trades right now. I also have this right here, day trades. So this these are the pairs that I would be using to scalp myself. So we got the big dog itself, gold. Gold is one of my favorites to scalp on. And my new strategy that I'm learning, I'm gonna make a video about that soon. But basically, let me show y'all. I don't know if I can't really do it right now, but let's see right here, right? Boom. I would take the wick. I would not take the wick. I would just take the body. Pull it back. This is a fair order block right here. And there's a fair body gap as well. I'll just count this right here. So obviously price has rejected off of it. It's probably gonna break past this one, come back and retest here. I don't know how. I'm still learning how like order blocks and liquidity and all that stuff work. So do not judge me. I'm still learning this. But yeah, there's a fair value gap here. So price is gonna, and you see this imbalance right here. So price is probably gonna come back and retest it, wick in, and then go to the upside. So, but that's New York session. So I'm gonna be trading gold during New York session. All right, cool. Nas 100 indices are really good. Look at this. Oh my, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Ooh, yeah, this is beautiful right here. You see this? It already retested once. It's gonna come back and retest again, continue to the upside. So there's more that goes into it than order blocks. I just gotta learn and study each market and see what works. But yeah, I'm literally trading the same forex pairs, just less of them. The ones that I think have the most potential, or the ones that gave me the most beneficial results last week, that's the ones I'm gonna be trading. So yeah. But yeah, overall, I will be scalping. Also, no more funded challenge. I've already blown 4. I'm not getting another one till I get my confidence back and just see some improvement, some progress, and learn how to control my emotions while trading. So on my own personal account, I put $100 in there, and we're gonna scale it up. I'm gonna try and get it up to like $300 or $500, and just grow the skill. Not worried about the money, just grow the skill. But yeah, for right now, just waiting for these to play out. Oh nope. So I'm just waiting for these to play out, do its thing, and then potentially take a trade tomorrow morning. Honestly, depending on how these look. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent. And all weekend, I have been backtesting the new scalping strategy. Like literally, let me show you. I'll give you guys a quick. Let's go to AUD USD. Perfect, right? So let's go to the weekly, and let's go right here. Yeah, let's go right here. Cool, right? I'm here. Now let's go down to the 30-minute. Whoa. I'm literally just gonna show y'all how this strategy works a little bit. Cool. All right, cool. So price is right here. Obviously, we had this big push right here. There is like a little gap here, but it's not big enough, so I don't really care much. But yeah, let's let it play out. Boom. Price had this big push here, but there's no gap, as you can see, so we don't really care about it. Ooh, there's a big push right here. All right, cool. So I'll count this right here as 1, and we're gonna wait for price to come back and retest it. Okay, cool. Price is doing this thing. Boom. So this will be another order block right here, but this one we will use it to get down here. So see, price is gonna tap it in. Okay, cool. Price is here. Put my entry right here. I want to get out right here. Stop loss right below. And this is where I would go on the lower time frames, mostly the 5 minutes. So let me just replay back here. Boom. So price is here, right? Boom. Price taps it. I would go down to 15-minute. Oh, I can't go down. Okay. Well, okay. When price comes back and taps my area, right? Cool. Then I would go on the lower time frame and wait for my morning star pattern, evening star pattern, or bullish engulfing candle, something like that. And then price is gonna tell me, okay, cool, I'm ready to reverse. And then boom. That's literally how to, like, this strategy, I love this strategy so much. Like, obviously, that's one example right there, right? Literally, order block or fair value gap, wait for price to come retest it, tap it in on the 30-minute or 15-minute. But usually I go down to the 5-minute for my entries to see the pattern, because I like the evening star and the morning star pattern. So I get those patterns, and then boom, take my trade from there. And y'all can see, look, 1 to 2, and how many hours did this take to play out? Took 3 hours to play out. 3 hours to play out instead of waiting like 2 days for one of these trades to play out. So I really like this strategy, and I've been back testing, bro. Back testing. When I tell you, like, I was back testing for hours, bro. Like, you know, and I was listening to the Forex Beginner podcast, I was just in the flow, like just listening to podcasts and back testing. So let me show y'all. So obviously this is not what do you call it? This is not useful anymore, or it's not. You can't use it anymore because price closed within it, so we don't really care about it. But anyways, as you can see, we have another fair value gap right here. Boom. And then price potential could be making another one right there. Alright, cool. So obviously we have this one right here. This is the big one. Boom. And you always want to get the opposite candle before the big push. So there you go. So we're gonna wait for price to come back, tap this area, and then go to the lower time frame for my entries. Cool, price is doing this thing. Yeah. At the same time, it's above the EMA, so be careful for that. Cool. Also, we could count this one right here. This would be a small one. But price is probably not gonna respect it as much. So just keep that in mind. Okay, price tapped it in. Like I told you, our price is not gonna respect it because it's way too close. You want to get an extreme one like this one, which is really far. And then as you can see, price makes this big ass gap right here. Price has to fill the gap. It has to fill the space. And this could technically be another. This could be a fair value gap right here. Price is not gonna respect it though. It's gonna break past it. Watch. It's gonna break past it. Come down here, and we're gonna take the trade right here. So let me just show y'all. But this here, I would normally try and go back to the previous high before price came back. My stop loss. As you can tell, this is a 104. Okay, cool. Price is not closed in the middle of this, so I don't really count it no more. And then keep going. Okay, this is where price taps it in, right? Let me move this. Bro, what? Move this out the way. Alright, cool. And it's tapping the 200 EMA as well. So, but yeah, we gotta wait. Alright, price made another one right here. So, I'm gonna wait for that. Honestly, price could respect this one. And it's rejected the EMA as well. Nope, did not respect it. Cool, EMA is now above, which is good. As you can tell, we still gotta come retest this one. Even though price did the 200, it still has to come retest this area right here. So we just keep going. Yeah. Okay, this is a big one right here. Nah, this one you only want to count the body because the wick closed above the previous thing. So I learned. Cool. This video is a little longer than usual, but just giving that, just explain to y'all what my thought process is. I'm still learning all this, by the way, so do not judge me. Okay, price did not respect it. Price still has to come back and tap this one. Cool, price is doing this thing. There could be another one right here. Price could tap into this one to then fall. Let's see. Price did not respect that one. Cool. Made another one right here. See, I'm just waiting. I'm just finding these spots where price does this thing. And I'm not going to enter the trade till price is at the area of interest and it gives me a good rejection. Just because, like, yes, let's say price was here, right? Cool. Let's say price comes here and doesn't give me my interest in it. I'm not going to take the trade because price could exactly just break through it. But if I wait for my interest in my Morningstar pattern, even star pattern, cool. Price will go. So I'm waiting. I'm still waiting for my interest. This is literally like the high time frames. It's just waiting peacefully. And you see this big gap that's forming right here? Price has to come back to retest it. Cool. Okay, y'all see? Oh. Go back here. So price literally came back, right? Let me show y'all. Y'all probably don't understand this. I'm still learning this. Like I said, I'm still developing, so do not get mad at me. I'm still developing. So I'll put this at the high right here. So price came in, tapped it. This is where I would go down to the 15-minute or the 5-minute. I'm looking for my entry signal or my entry pattern. And then boom. Ooh. Dang, okay. So we would have lost this trade. Honestly, I would have taken 2 positions and you would take profits on like a 1 to 3 or 1 to 2.5 and then let the rest running. But we would have lost this trade. So that's what you got to backtest for. So to figure out, okay, why would I have lost this trade? Price was up a substantial amount of pips. So I could have taken some of my profits out. So if I lost this trade and I lost everything, that's on me. Price literally give me all this opportunity. I should have taken some off, and then Price did this thing. So, yeah, cool. This is invalid now because closed within it. And there's one right here now, formed up. I only count the bodies. Cool. That's probably gonna tap it. Nope, did not reject it. Cool. Made another one. Actually, no, it didn't. So, and we still haven't forgotten about this one. Price still has not tapped it. So, okay, cool. News drop. I'm assuming Price had this big move. Now, this one already, see, this would be a good fair value gap, but it has already been tested by this wick. So, it's no longer a good one. See, back testing is so long. Look, this one right here again. And the EMA is right below it. Did not respect it. This one is still here. There's another one formed right here. EMA is crossing in the middle. 50 is above. I know y'all hear the clicking sound. Okay, cool. You big push right here. Cool. EMAs are both below it, so this is a good area. Come back and retest it. And this takes a while. You gotta be patient with it. Even though did not respect it. Broke below. This one is still here. Okay, did not respect this. Closed within it. You would count this one as a big one. And then, also, I'm learning how to use supply and demand with liquidity and stuff. This is a good area right here. Nah, I closed within it. It's not even fair. Yeah, that's basically a strategy. You know, I'm still gonna keep learning. I'm still developing this. So, but yeah, these are the pairs that I'm looking for on a weekly, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Reset trophy. Cool. So, just gonna. What is this? Oh, okay. I was about to say, why is this so long? Alright, cool. Let Price do his thing and focus on the swing trades, and then we'll be scalping as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe. Remember, stay focused, stay consistent, stay disciplined, and remember, the magic you are looking for is in the work you are avoiding. Y'all have a good one.